Hi there. Today I will guide you through. How can you delete your Sudowrite account? For this, I have two ways, so I will try all those which I have. Simply head over to your Sudowrite and sign up your account which you want to delete. Once you will get access of it, you will see the welcome page of Sudowrite. Now here you don't have to do anything. The first thing we will do is, I will click on the setting icon, and here if you have the subscription of Sudowrite, then you will see your subscription, but I don't have. So that's why it's saying start membership. But if you have, then you will see the option of change plan or see your plan. So click on any of these, and if I scroll down, here you will see the icon of change plan or cancel the subscription in order to delete your account. It's no official way by which you can delete your account, but when you cancel your subscription, then your all history will be removed in Sudowrite. So simply cancel your subscription and delete your history. But it is not a way by which you can delete your data in Sudowrite. By this, you can only cancel your subscription. Now let's move to another way by which we can delete your account. I'll ask, to Sudo AI, how can I delete my account? So that's why I will click on this question mark. Then it will open a bar where I can ask, how can I delete my account? So let me write here. Now, it's saying there is no specific instruction by which you can delete your account. But the first thing is cancel your subscription, and another way is send an email to the Sudowrite about deleting your account. So open your email address and write the mail. So let me open my email. This one is my mail by which I created my Sudowrite account. Click on this option, Compose, and here you have to write this. The subject will be account deletion. Now here you have to write about your account deletion. So I will write. Once you write, simply click on the option Send. Once you will click on it, the email will be sent to sudowrite.com, and they will contact with you, and they might ask some reason why you did delete your account. And once you reply, they will delete your account, and that's it.